Thank you for choosing the Kegel maintenance videos. Today we will be calibrating the oil pump on your Atlas Pro lane machine. To begin, we'll select Main Menu, Settings, Machine Settings, and Pump Calibration. At the bottom, we see oil pump selected, as well as our current microliters. You can change the microliter setting by using the arrows or by numeric keypad. Beneath that we have the pump speed with an adjustable analog value, also adjustable by arrow or numeric keypad. Below that we have the total oil volume for the set microliter. Beneath that we have the Tank A test button and the Tank B test button. To calibrate your oil pump, we will want to go to the max setting of the pump. 60 microliters is the max setting for a total output of 24 milliliters per tank. You will run the test, and if you get a value above or below 24 milliliters, an adjustment will be necessary. 60 microliters is the only microliter setting that we will manually adjust the pumps from. To remove the tip from the oil head block, we will loosen the thumb screw at the bottom of the block. Before running the calibration, we will run a quick test to push any excessive air out of the lines. On the screen, test per tank, first starting with Tank A. After a short delay, the head will begin. Once complete, we will do the same thing for Tank B. With the lines purged, we will now place the tip into our graduated cylinder. With the tip now in the cylinder, we will now run a test for each tank. With the test complete, if your cylinder displays more or less than the 24 milliliter value for the max output of 60 microliters, then an adjustment will be necessary. For 60 microliters, this will be the only manual adjustment you make of the oil pumps. To adjust the pumps, we will locate our access plate for the oil pumps. I've taken the liberty of removing the first screw here above the clamp and loosening the other screw here above the track. With the screw removed, gently pull the plate back and lower, resting on the splash guard. And here we'll find our pumps. Pump A and Pump B. Note both pumps are driven by one single stepper motor. If an adjustment is needed, we would rotate the pump clockwise to increase or counterclockwise to decrease. We also have our inner collar, which is adjustable to assist with adjustments on the pump. Once adjusted, keep running the test at 60 microliters until the desired 24 milliliters is achieved per pump. Once complete, replace the hardware on the access plate and tighten in place. With the manual adjustment now made to our pumps, our max output should be correct. Most patterns are factory set to 50 microliters. If you were to run the test and you do not get the desired 20 milliliters, then we would need to make an adjustment from the screen. This would be done for any other microliter setting used in the desired pattern. As you change the microliter settings, you'll notice the volume changes with the microliters as well. If for any reason you are not getting the desired volume, then we would adjust our pump speed. You can adjust by the arrows or by the numeric keypad. Increasing the value will increase the amount dispensed. Decreasing the value will decrease the amount dispensed. Run the calibration test on the desired microliter until the correct volume is reached. As a reminder, changing the pump speed value will adjust both pumps as they are both driven by one-stepper motor. With your test now complete and your pumps calibrated, we can now reinsert the oil tip. Line up the roll pin and gently lower until the collar is snug to the block. Retighten your thumb screw.